Dynatect's Gortite roll-up doors are known for being a durable, lightweight, secure, and convenient access solution for fire and emergency vehicles, delivery vehicles, work trucks, and vans. Using decades of experience in doors and automation, Dynatect now offers a revolutionary powered door option. It is the most capable powered roll-up door, ensuring operator safety, door reliability, minimal doorway obstructions, eliminating complicated wiring, strong security, power loss bypass options, and a controller that can scale from hardwire inputs to automotive protocols. Dynatect offers the safest mechanical and electronic design solution. There are 3 simultaneous modes of motion control. The first control mode is overcurrent sensing for obstruction detection and auto reverse. If there is a box or a person obstructing the door closing, the door immediately senses resistance and reverses direction. The next control mode uses hardwired door sensors to confirm the full open or full close position of the door. The third control mode features timeout limits on door travel. If the door is blocked or stalled, it will not run to failure while attempting to complete a motion. The next safety solution is an anti-pinch cover which shrouds the drive mechanism. The anti-pinch cover is a factory-installed standard feature not included in other market offerings. This minimizes operator access to the cogs, sensors, and driven roller. The third safety solution is that the door is positively driven open and close. Some manual doors can drift open or closed when partially open or when on a hill. Dynatect's power door features cogs on both sides of the door to help eliminate this issue. These cogs positively drive the door open and closed. Other market offerings rely on gravity closing without cogs or only have cogs on one side. These competitive solutions do not maximize uniform motion, security, or consistent results on hills or slopes. The fourth safety solution is a unique heat management system that results in maximum duty cycles for the motor. Dynatect's powered doors have the highest duty cycle in the industry. Some competitive doors are limited to just a single open and close cycle every minute, but often the operator needs doorway access more than once a minute. Dynatect's unique heat dissipation system allows a 6-foot door to be opened and closed up to 5 times per minute without compromising the life of the motor. Dynatect's powered door systems have been tested beyond 100,000 cycles on doors up to 30 square feet. Another set of benefits associated with Dynatect's powered roll-up door is that the doors are a self-contained unit. Advantages include that the motor and gearing fit into the existing idler tube envelope, which results in no increased footprint. Some motorized solutions require an external motor and gearbox, which hang into the door passageway and create interference for packages and operators. Dynatect solves this issue by putting the motor inside the envelope of the traditional idler tube. This maximizes the size of the door opening and improves operator safety. The next advantage is that the controller is mounted to the header assembly. Dynatect's controller can be mounted on either side of the pennant plate or at another location in the vehicle. This allows for mounting flexibility to maximize the door opening and minimize operator interference. The third advantage includes integrated end-of-travel sensors that do not require wiring down the door's leg. Dynatect's innovative application of sensors and targets allow the door open and door close sensors to both be located at the top of the door. This eliminates common industry problems where bottom sensors get bumped out of alignment and the wires running down the door's leg become tangled or broken. Dynatect sensors are located behind the anti-pinch cover to prevent incidental contact or tampering. The fourth advantage is a powered locking mechanism which is installed without wiring down the leg of the door. The security wiring, solenoid, and mechanism are all contained in the header of the door instead of in the industry standard bottom of the door. Dynatect's design eliminates the tangle of wiring down the leg of the door. It also eliminates door lock alignment issues, which arise from operators bumping the lock mechanism during loading and unloading. The door remains locked even if the vehicle loses power. Another set of benefits associated with Dynatect's powered roll-up door is the best security and power loss protection solution. This includes an interior manual door release. In case power is lost, Dynatect's powered door system includes a bypass slider that uncouples the door from the motor to allow manual operation. This proprietary design leverages the unique motor mounting configuration and a clutch. This manual release can be activated from the inside of the compartment. When the door is uncoupled from the motor, it can be opened or closed manually. This method requires the operators to have access to the inside of the vehicle or the compartment which the door is mounted on. There is an option to also activate the manual release from outside the compartment via a keyed interface. If the vehicle loses power and the operator does not have access to the inside of the compartment, then the optional keyed interface allows exceptional access. This key is inserted into the lock and mechanically disengages the door from the motor. Then the door can be manually operated, open, or closed. This keyed feature will also uniquely bypass the power lock regardless of the vehicle's power status. Dynatect's controller can be very simple with hardwire open and close signals from customer-supplied buttons. The controller will also support complex communications such as automotive network protocols to interface with the vehicle's BCM. Dynatect's powered roll-up doors include innovative features and the best solutions for delivery vehicles and compartment doors. For more information, contact a Dynatect sales representative today.